Good morning, all viewers, all subscribers. This is the third day of Eid. You see, this is a good morning in Iskardu, third day of Eid day, and I think today a little bit cold from other days. And you backside me, top of the mountains, and around me, a very nice, beautiful land. Therefore, grass everywhere grow up from the land. This is the I think fifth month of this year, January, February, March, April, May. Okay. After you see behind me, this is the nice land and white trees. And other side of me, this is apricot trees. Some trees are apricots and other white trees are available here. You see again behind me a little bit sunshine, and this is a 6:37 I think morning are here, and third day of Eid. Last the night in my house, my cousin and my I think my family member and my brother Jumamir come from Saudi Arabia in Laupandi. After come in Gilgit with his family, and last night for 2 3 hours with us, his own all family members. Jumamir Bhai in dinner with us in our house. Alhamdulillah, combine. We take dinner, all family members, my family members, my family members, and after I think 9:30 and same this time he returned Haji Sa town. This last night is very good, beautiful, and good night. Therefore, Jumamir Bhai with us. Again, you see next view around me, behind me, and this is very beautiful morning. Alhamdulillah, I hope we all members. I like to second time when Imran Khan the other elections of Pakistan, and I think I speak in Urdu, Qawmi Assembly and Subai Assembly elections. Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you for all viewers and subscribers. I hope you understand me, like and subscribe my this channel.